So in this video, we're going to show you how you can add a tag towards your existing contact that you just created in the previous video inside your ActiveCampaign account. We are also going to add the contact to an automation, and this will be the automation inside of ActiveCampaign. A simple automation with just sending an email, but it should work perfectly. So if we go over towards UChat and we just going to add an action in this case, we can just go towards the integrations tab again, go towards ActiveCampaign, and from here we can just press edit action and we can add a tag towards this contact. As you can see, we now require the contact ID that we mapped inside the previous video to an existing custom field. So in this case, we are going with the AC user ID, and then we will be able to select our tag that we want to implement. So if we press the dropdown, if we take a look first at the contacts tags, then we also should see a few available options already. So if we go towards contacts and expand this, you will be able to see the tags. And from here, you will see that I have these three tags available. Subscribe to chatbot, unsubscribe from chatbot, and receive the ebook 7 pro tips to a successful dropshipping business. So if I go inside of UChat, we should be able to see these three tags available. So if we press the dropdown, you will also see them available here. If this is not the case and you just added tags inside the ActiveCampaign account, then you will need to refresh the page inside of UChat and redo this actions to just see all the available tags. Let's say we are going to say this user is subscribed to the chatbot and we want to add this. Then we have a response mapping. This is optional, but if you want to remove tags or if you want to do some more automation, then you can map this data. So you have the contact tag, you will be able to map the tag ID, and you can also map the outcome. Again, the message is just for testing purposes, but you can do so already. Let's say we are going to save this action and going to publish this. We are just going to preview this block. So let's go with preview this step. And let's say we're just going towards Facebook again. See, we just activated this step. So if we go towards the contact now, so let's go towards contacts. And let's just press the contacts data. We now should also see the tag available. And as you can see, we just add the tag subscribe to chatbot. So if we added this tag to contact, and let's say we are just going with a received an ebook, so the user opted in for an ebook and we sent it to them, then we save this and we preview this again. Let's go towards the ActiveCampaign contact again, refresh the page, and now we should see two tags, as you can see here. So it's really easy to add the tags. If you want to basically add the user towards an automation, it works a similar way. So if we just remove this action, we can go with another one, go towards integrations, towards the ActiveCampaign Pro, and edit the action. If we want to add the user to an automation, we can just press this button. Then we will need the contact ID again. So let's go with searching for it, right? So let's go with AC user ID. And if we press the drop down, we should get the one single automation that we set up. As you can see here, the ebook 7 pro tips to a successful dropshipping business, right? So if we do this, we can also do response mapping again if you want to, totally optional, but you can map these values towards custom fields inside your chatbot. If we just press save and publish this, let's preview this step again. Let's say open in web browser. And if we take a look now, you will see there are no automations yet. But if we refresh the page, this contact should be added towards the automation. And as you can see, it's already 100%. It's completed just because it's the one single email. So as you can see, it's really easy to add tags and add context towards specific automations inside of your ActiveCampaign account with this native integration. In the next video, we're going to show you how you can set custom field values inside of ActiveCampaign through UChat.